Okay, what I'm doing is recording a video of the Anan here, and I'm going to turn off the everything here, the noise blankers, the NR, let you hear what the audio sounds like by cranking up the master audio here. And that's what it sounds like, which doesn't seem bad. Now I'm just going to go down and activate the NR, and then NR2.
Favorably or less harshly by the prosecution by showing some cooperation. So
in the automatic match filter, noise blanker 2.
Again, brothel, scheme, or whatever prostitution ring.
And that's what it sounds like on the Anan in a more or less optimized way.
But that is not what the case is about today in front of the State Supreme Court. Let me sort of give you an idea. This is U.S. Attorney.
This is AGC all the way up. This is just above the noise level.
Announced the indictment, and Rob, we're going to ask you to play cut number 27. This is U.S. Attorney Joshua Levy, a very high-profile case, and he talked about apparently this
and this is with the NR2 off.
Information about the customers, and apparently almost they had to qualify the customers to make sure that they had the financial wherewithal to it was not your run-of-the-mill street prostitution situation. This was high-end, as I think this soundbite from U.S. Attorney Levy will persuade you. Cut 27, Rob.
They are doctors.
So I just turned down the audio there. What I'm doing now is switching over antennas off the back of my antenna tuner from the Anan, and I'm going to switch it over to the Icom radio, and let you hear what it sounds like there. Okay, so this is on my 781. Now I'm going to switch on the notch.
Then some stories written about it. And the Globe, I guess it was Saturday.
There's not much I can really do other than perhaps adjust the bass. That's the treble control. That's the treble all the way up. And then this is the bass. And all the way back up again. So, so I'm going to switch back to the Anan now. Stand by. Just switching the antenna out and switching the antenna back onto the Anan. And I'm just going to crank the audio up on the Anan and let you hear what it sounds like. The signal does vary up and down to some degree.
The brothel bust last November dominated the headlines. Public works client list included, again, elected officials, government contractors, security officers, military officers, and professors paid the federal authorities. The list of hundreds of men
and that's with the NR2 on.
which were in luxury apartments in Cambridge, Watertown, and the suburbs of Washington, D.C., not released by law enforcement officials, prompted intense speculation about the alleged client's identity. The federal and state justice systems have provided few answers since the bust. But the 8-man trial takes 6 charges of violent executive office.
So I just break down the
Court
audio
is
here.
due to hear their arguments on Monday about whether their initial hearing.
So that's what it sounds like between the two radios.